Alright, y'all, so today we're going to be installing the Coverlay dash cover on my C10. So I just took it out of the package and I was just cleaning it. It says to clean it up with some Windex or like glass clean or something with ammonia, something like that. So I just gave it a quick wipe down with that, and I also wiped down the interior. So you gotta make sure you prep this before you put it on. I didn't show you guys the prep work, but basically I had tried to restore this and it didn't work out. I just didn't like how it looked, and you could still see all the cracks. But if you have like cracks that are kind of like bulging out, you gotta use something like a blade or like something to kind of like cut them off, so you could leave it like leveled, so it won't be like bulging out like this. Because usually that's what they tend to do. They'll crack and they'll start bulging, and if that's the case and you don't take care of that before putting the dash, then it's not gonna stick properly. It's gonna be like uneven. So I already did that. I did that a while ago. Basically cleaned it all out. These are just holes because the speakers were kind of hitting the dash. These are not the speakers that are meant for it, but I mean, it was already falling all apart, so I mean, I just knocked it off, and now I'm just gonna be putting the dash cover on top. It shows that it's fairly simple to do it. All you use is the glue that it comes with. So when you order the package, the dash cover, it's gonna come with this, some Seal Bond. So basically you just gotta put this all around the edges, and then you might want to have someone kind of help you put the dash in. So this, I'm just gonna be applying it everywhere, all around the edges, and then after we'll go ahead and install it. So I already wiped it down, like I said. So let's just go ahead and put this on. Alright, so I just put the glue all around the edges. I pretty much used most of it. There was hardly any left. Alright, y'all, so basically this is where you're going to be installing the dash on. You're going to need another person to be able to help you to bring the dash in. So, I mean, you might be able to do it yourself, but it'll be good to have that extra second person. In this case, my dad helped me put it on. You're basically gonna put this over the existing dash. Once you push it into place, you're gonna be putting some, I put towels underneath the weights just so that the weights won't scratch the dash, just to kind of help preserve it. Basically, you don't want to put heavy weight on top so that it can be able to sit overnight and kind of like push the dash down and hold into place. I use weights. You can use whatever you have. If you have like, some people sometimes use like books, and they stick them in between the dash and the windshield for the windshield to be able to like give it that added pressure, kind of like pushing down. I don't know, be creative, use something that you have at home. Basically, you're gonna be leaving it on overnight, and after that, it should pretty much be done. I hope this was not too hard to follow and it was easy for y'all. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Thanks, y'all.